perform, remember, not only are they unlimited class aerobatic maneuvers, but also they are being flown in formation. Well, the World Aerobatics is held every 2 years. It was last in the United Kingdom here at Silverstone. And all the top aerobatic pilots in the world come to perform there. And this is the mount they use, the SU2, right forward, completely clean, the first tank of the 21st century. This is the MRE. Now look at that, ladies and gentlemen, flying sideways, only inches apart. That is an extraordinary maneuver, and I have to tell you, remind you that yesterday they won the trophy for the best in display, and I think you can see why. And it's not the first year they won it either, up to the verdict. Beautifully in line abreast formation. And this now is a tail slide where the aircraft starts sliding backwards. Now this is a tricky maneuver to do at the best of time to keep orientated, but to do it in formation really is something very special indeed. They're one of the few people in the world who would attempt this maneuver. All bottom maneuvers, as I say, number one rebel airways is Steve Jones, who's competitive behind. They've been flying now together for several years, quite a few years in fact, with these two aircraft. They have gained a great deal. Very good press around the world. They've flown in places like China. Yeah, back to back now. And look, flying sideways in the vertical. The airplane here needs to be very, very powerful indeed in order to do that.